Alrighty guys, so let's get straight into this video. Here I have for you guys today my Beats Studio 2. Now these are pretty old and they are 100% done, like 100% done. The battery is actually out on these. The earmuffs or the ear cups on these, if you can see, they are destroyed. And unfortunately, this is very common for these Beats Studio headphones. Now, I am a very big fan of the Beats Studios and I actually enjoy using these. I know there's lots of people who might not like the heavy bass or just how they sound, but I actually really do like the Beats. And as you can see, these are 100% done. Now, these were sitting for a little while and I actually was about to get rid of them when I found that you can easily restore these. So here I'm gonna have a battery that I'm gonna be replacing on these. And then I also got brand new ear cushions, which is awesome because these are very easy to replace. It has a sticker on the back and you pretty much take these off and we're gonna go ahead and replace them. So I'm actually gonna do it with you guys here. I've not taken these off yet and I've not replaced the battery at all. So I'm gonna do it here with you guys so you guys can see how easy this is. We're gonna need a pry tool. We're gonna go ahead and take out both of these earmuffs. And pretty much what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take off the adhesive and wedge our tool in between here. I'm not sure why Beats makes the ear cups so bad, like they just flake so bad. I remember when I bought these are you pay a premium price and for them to last not as long as you would expect them to. It's kind of disappointing. Look at this. And I'm sure if you're a Beats owner, you either got rid of your Beats because of this or you don't use them anymore because look at this. This is terrible. And look at my mat. You know, you leave them sitting for a while or even when you're using them and they get so destroyed. It's unbelievable. See, got this tape out. Let's go ahead and take out the other side and it's really easy. You can use a screwdriver. I'm using this little pry tool, but you just squeeze in here and try to get a nice, just yank it off. Okay. Now again, this is the first time me doing it, so I'm actually gonna take a little time off camera and I'm gonna clean up all this glue because I actually want the new sticker from this or the new adhesive from here to really stick onto this. So I'm gonna just really quickly grab some alcohol and clean these up. So give me a second. Alrighty guys, let me just clean up all this flaking that's on here. It's actually pretty bad. These ear cups are just terrible, but I got everything cleaned up. It's all nice so that when I place my new ear cups on here, it's gonna stick out nicely. Now I do wanna replace the battery on these, and the battery is gonna be on the side where you see this button. And what we're gonna wanna do is take out this ring here, and there's gonna be a little notch that you're gonna see. Now don't make the mistake that I almost did. On the other side, you also get a little notch, but it's not gonna be on this side. These are the buttons. On the other side, where the actual power button is, this is where we're gonna wanna take this piece off and replace the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. It should be fairly easy. If you feel a lot of resistance, just go slow, or you might be on the wrong side. So here, this one came out super fast, but you're gonna see this here and you're gonna see some screws. We're gonna go ahead and take those screws out. And then on this side, on the top, we're gonna wanna take off, there's a little clip here on where the R is. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. So just with the little Phillips, just be careful. Just kind of pry that one out. There you go. Yeah, be careful because there is some plastic right there that we don't wanna break. So once we have that out, we're gonna grab the plastic cover here and kind of just slide it on the opposite direction of the ear cup. This should come out just like that. And there we have the battery. So let's go ahead and get rid of that bad boy. And all it's gonna be is just this little clip right here. Right there, we're just gonna unclip that. See that? And then this is just glued on here. So I'm just gonna try to pry that out as well and get that out. As you can see, I'm just doing this with my fingers. So this is the old battery. I got a new battery. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and I didn't get a sticker with this one, but that's okay. There's a little adhesive over here. Okay, and when you put on the battery, make sure those little silver notches, this is the back where you see the wires. This is the front where you see the little silver contacts. Now those are gonna be facing up, just in case you're wondering, because sometimes it's a little tricky to get this in here. All right, now that that's all in, well, you actually can see it light up already. Look at that. It's a good sign. So let me go ahead and put this all back. All right, so when we put this one back, we're gonna hold this one all the way to the bottom and kind of align it on here. And then the cover piece, we're gonna put it towards the top because we're gonna slide it down onto this piece here. So just as a little tip, let me see if I can get this. All right, guys, so it took me a little bit of tries, but I actually got it on there. And now both of the pieces are back. You can slide it down, you can slide it up, and I just got to put on the screws now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the screws back, put the cover on, and we should be back. Now you can see here, it's actually lighting up and the battery has been replaced. Now I actually think the hardest part was putting these little two clips back together because it takes a little bit of wiggling around to make sure that they both get on there correctly. So that's probably going to be the hardest part of the whole process. But let's go ahead and put the screws back. Now I also have the Beats Solo, which I actually really enjoy, but those are on the ear. The Beats Studio go over the ear, which are these. And I really like them both. I think they both work great. So let's go ahead and put the cover on here. Press firmly on there so it doesn't fall off, and then there it is, it sticks on there again. So it's actually pretty cool. And then now let's go ahead and put on our new ear cups that are not going to flake everywhere. So the way that you tell them apart is on the bottom here by the seam, you're going to see a little notch. That one doesn't have it, but let's see this one. This one does have it. See how the notch is right there, and on this one you don't see it. So that notch is going to go where the charger is. So we're going to look here. Here's where the charger is, so this one's gonna pertain to this side. So let's go ahead and put that one on there. Pretty much we're just gonna take the sticker off. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it on this side here. Nothing special to that, just literally a huge sticker. And we'll sure, oh there we go. Actually clips in. There's these two little notches that clip into place. I pretty much got that one on there, and look at the difference. Pretty much bringing your Beats back to life if this is what you've had before. Look at this. You go from this to that. And I'm not sure how long these are gonna last, but I'm hoping they're gonna last a lot longer. And they're actually pretty comfortable. They're pretty decent material. I can't say much about these because who knows if they're gonna end up looking like this, but at least, you know, for a couple bucks, I can have my headphones back and I can continue to use them instead of throwing them out and not having any. So I'm gonna go ahead, and here you're gonna see two little smaller circles, and those are gonna go in these little pegs that you see here. Kind of just line up. Go nicely. And then I forgot one little thing. This R here that I took off when I was doing the battery, it's gonna clip back into place, and I will do that right now. And there you have it, guys. I just repaired new battery, new ear cups, and I now have my Beats Studios back that I'll pair up with my phone again, and I'm able to use them again. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you like these types of videos. And I also have the new Beats Studio Pro, which I'm gonna make a review on in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And if you like my channel, check out this video or check out this video. I appreciate you guys. Peace.